Dear students, this video will help you to attend your online second chance examination through our college LMS. Okay, so to go into to attend your second chance exam, so you have to come to our college website. Okay, so let me show you how you can launch our college LMS. So first you have to come to the college website. So in our college homepage, you can see here, so there is my favorite, the second one is the Jayantian Special. So if you click this Jayantian Special, so you will be getting the KJC LMS. Okay, so once you click KJC LMS, so you'll be landed in our KJC LMS page. So from here you have to select the department. So to take your second chance exam, you have to go to the examination office. Okay, so when you click examination office, so you'll be taken to the examination office LMS. So each student, we have given you the username and the password. Okay, so already circulated by the COE office. So you have to type your username and password so you can log in into the examination office LMS to take your second chance exam. Okay, so I have created some sample user here. Okay, so let me type the sample user. Okay, so then I'll show you how you can take your exam. Okay, second chance exam. Okay, so once I give my login, okay, so now I can see here, so whichever the course has been I have requested for the second chance exam, so that course detail will be coming in my home page. Okay, so once you give your username and password, so immediately you will be landing in your home page, so of your examination page. So there you will get the course detail. Okay, so once I come to this particular place, so first I'm going to show you the for example the theoretical courses. Okay, so the other than mathematics and statistics or accountancy, so we have a theoretical question, so where the students has to type the entire answer. Okay, so this is one course I'm going to show you first, then the next one I will show you the uploading file upload type. Okay, so once you have landed here, so you have to click the course title. Okay, so once you click here, so you can see so this is the page where I will click and I have to answer my the theory essay type question. Okay, so please once again I will inform I request you to read this general instructions carefully. Okay, so in the home page also you will be getting your details. Okay, the general instruction. So once you land here also you will get the general instruction. So read the instruction properly. Okay, so where you have to answer 3 questions out of 4. Okay, so and each question we have a 40 lines. So once you read once you read all the general instructions, so directly you can click online second chance term exam. Okay, so when you click here, so you will be taken to this particular page where you can see once again there are the instruction has been given over here, so you can read once again. Okay, so what is this the instruction for this particular second chance exam. So once you read this one, so you can go and attempt the quiz now. So once you click the attempt quiz now, so you will be taken into okay, so you will be taken into one more page. Okay, so this is the page where you have to answer your quiz questions. Okay, say for example here we have created sample question 1. So there are 4 different types of questions, 4 different questions we have given. So you can see one by one. Okay, so after reading all the 4 questions, you have you need to decide so which question you have to answer, because out of 4 questions you are going to answer only 3 questions. Okay, so first say for example I have decided to answer the first question, so I will come here. Okay, so first question. Okay, so then here you can see there are some of the tab, you can use some more tab also, so where you can set your paragraph and if you want to give a table. Okay, so all this information you can you can use it over here. Okay, so if you want to use it superscript and the subscript and the superscript, so all these details are here, so where you can use it for your the purpose. Okay, so then you start answering. So let me show you a dummy value for this. So after I type this one, okay, so then you can come down. So then I've decided to go to the next question, second question. So then you can say next page. So it will be taking you to the next page. So the next page, second question I don't want to answer because I am not sure. Okay, so I don't have the content for this particular question. So what I can do, I can go to the third page by clicking directly here, or I can go to the next page, then I can click here. Okay, so once I click the next page, so I am in third page. So I'm going to give the answer for this particular question. Okay, so I'm giving a dummy value, so you will be giving the real stuff. Okay, so once I give the answer for this question, so then again I can click to the next page. So once I click the next page, so you'll be landed in the fourth question. So fourth question, so we have given you clear instructions. You have to answer 3 out of 4 questions. Okay, so 3 out of 4 questions. Okay, so now the fourth question I'm going to give the answer. Okay, so this is the dummy value I'm giving again. Okay, so once I typed, okay, so then I can come down, then I can say finish attempt. So now if you see that once all the 4 questions, okay, I've moved and I can, I have answered all the questions. You can see here, so 3 questions I have answered, 1 is not yet answered. So now I have a 2 different option. Either I can go back, return to the attempt, or submit all and finish. Say for example, first day I have attended 1 question, so then I want to come back. So what I can do here is, so you can see here is like okay, so once come back here, so I can go to my home page. Okay, so I can go to my home page, so then I can come back to this course. Say for example, next day you're coming and logging in, and you're coming inside, so then you're coming back. Okay, so now if you see this one, attempt allowed 1, so continue the last attempt. Okay, so this is the way. So if you have submitted in the first time, so you will not able to go back again. So when you are not submitting, you are allowed to go back, because we are giving 3 days for you to answer the open book question. So you can come back, first day you can answer 1 question or 1.5 question. So then you are decided, okay, tomorrow I'll come and sit and I'll complete my other part. Okay, so then you can come back and you can click the continue the last attempt. Okay, so there you can come back again, and you can see the next page, the same question page you will be landed. Okay, so now I come back to my first question. So I felt, okay, so here I can do some more addition. Okay, so then I can type this particular one, and okay, so then, so if you want to say control C, control V, so copy and paste we are not allowing. Okay, so if you try to control V, it will say the functionality is currently disabled. So you cannot do that control C, control V in this particular page. Okay, so once I've decided, okay, fourth question also, I want to do some update. So you're coming back and you're coming down and you're clicking, so you're specifying the some more addition of the answers you are giving. So once you have done, so first question, third question, and fourth question, some update I have done. So then I can go back to the finish attempt. Okay, so once I go to the finish attempt, so now I'm not going to return to the attempt. If you want, you can go back, I can do it. So once I've confirmed everything I have done, so then I can go and click submit all and finish. So once I click submit all and finish, then again there is a confirmation, the system is going to ask you. So once you submit, you will no longer be able to change your answer for this particular attempt. So again you are going to say submit all and finish. So once you submit all and finish, you can see here, so it is, you can see here the submission is finished, and you can go back to the course. So now you are not allowed to go into this particular, the attempt and to change whatever you have already done. Okay, so once you click back to the course, you can see here you are coming back to the home page. And one last thing you have to do after answering all your question, there is a checkbox. So you have to, if you click here, and you have to say there is the tick mark, you have to give it over there. Okay, so now you can see there, there is a tick mark over this particular online second chance term examination. So once you have done this, so you are done with the your examination. So then you can go back and you can say log out, and you can come out of your page. Okay, so this is the way you can answer your descriptive type of question. Okay, I hope this video will help you, and go step by step, and you can go through it and you can understand. Okay, thank you so much. All the best.